In this video, we will install a broker on the Munich file server. This will mean that the file replication or synchronization between the London and Munich file servers won't have to travel through the broker on the PM Management Center machine in New York, and instead can travel point to point and stay within Europe. This should not only provide better replication performance, but will lighten the load on the PM Management Center computer. To start, run the broker installer and accept the license agreement. Select the installation directory and click Next. Select the Start menu folder or accept the default and click Next. When the installation is complete, click Finish. A quick note about firewall ports. All brokers connect to each other on TCP ports 61616 and 61617, so make sure that these are configured in any firewalls to allow that TCP traffic. Now that we have our broker installed, in the next video we'll use the topology perspective in the PM Management Center to configure a new site and bring our freshly deployed broker into use.